What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with The Home Entrepreneur, and today's video I want to talk about why affiliate marketing is a numbers game. Most people get this wrong. Most people do not completely understand how affiliate marketing works and why they're not making the amount of money they need to make. So what I want to do today is I want to go over the numbers, okay? And this might confuse some people, but once you break it down, once you really look at the numbers, you can reverse engineer anything you want to be able to make whatever amount of money you need to make for that month. Okay, you want to make $1,000? I'm gonna show you how to do it. You want to make $5,000? I'm gonna show you how to do it. You want to make $10,000, $20,000, $100,000? I'm gonna show you how you do it. Okay, so let's jump right into it. So we're gonna be going over something here. I'll be using the calculator as well, and we're also going to be going over exactly how you can do this for your own method. Okay. So the first thing we need to do is we need to understand that, okay, let's say you do a website. So for this example, I'm going to talk about if you're building a website, which I highly recommend. You do not need a website to make money with affiliate marketing, but I highly recommend it. Okay, this is one of the things I teach over inside my course. If you want to check it out, the link will be in the description box below. But let's say you want to make $1,000, or who cares about the money right now? Okay, let's just get rid of the money for now. Let's say you're going to go and you're going to build a website to get traffic. Okay, great. How are we going to do this? So let's just assume that, we have a website. Okay. That website, we have 20 articles. Okay. The reason why I want to use 20 articles is because that's usually what I recommend. It's a decent starting point. It's not a very basic website, but it's not an authority site. Okay. So got a website, there's 20 articles on it. And let's say every single article you're going after has a monthly search term that the amount of people that are searching for it gets, let's say 200 and let's just say 500 searches a month. Okay, so that would actually be 10,000 total. Okay, so this is what I want to show you, and this is what I'm talking about, reverse engineering the entire process. So if you got 20 articles, 500 searches a month, that means you have 10,000 monthly searches, okay, over your 20 articles. Okay, these are just rough numbers. So if they're getting anywhere about 500 monthly searches, local monthly searches per month, and you're getting a total of 10,000, I'm going to go off the assumption that you're going to get about 20% of that. Okay, and so when I say you're going to get about 20% of this, I'm talking about you have some articles ranking number 1 in Google, you have some ranking number 2, some ranking number 3. Okay, so let's just say you're ranking in the top 4 to 5. So you average about 20,000, or about 20%. So that means you'll have 20,000 or 2,000 website visitors to your site every single month. Okay, from these 20 articles based off these numbers right here. Okay, so hopefully you're following along. If you're following along, hit that thumbs up button. So the next thing, and if you have questions on this, if you're struggling, so for example, let's say you already have a website, answer in the comment section below, how many articles have you written on your site, and roughly, if you know, how much traffic are you getting from those articles? Put that in the comment section below, because I'd love to know exactly how many you've written and why you've stopped there, or why you're going to continue to keep on going. So let's say affiliate clicks. So let's go under the assumption that, let's say you get 2,000 visitors to your site. Let's say only 5% of the people on your site actually convert to click on the affiliate link. Okay, so 5%, that would be 100 people that would land on the affiliate site. Okay, these are affiliate link clicks. Okay, so again, we started out with 10,000 total. We brought that down to 2,000 that land on our website. Got down to 100 people that actually clicked on one of your affiliate links. And let's say, let's just say 10%. 10% of the people that land on the affiliate site actually buy something. So this could be a mixture of courses on Amazon, on ClickBank, on JVZoo, whatever. Okay, so let's say 10%. So that means you'll have 10 sales for every 10,000 total monthly searches. Okay, doesn't matter how you get here. So let's break that down. So let's say you have an average of $5. Let's actually make this a little bit bigger. So let's say you have an average of $5 per sale. So that would mean you just made $50 a month from 10,000 searches. Now, let's go over to my computer. Let's go over to a site called SEMrush. Okay, we're already on the computer, obviously. But let's go over to a site called SEMrush. I'm going to show you kind of how this works. Okay, so here we are on SEMrush. Okay, so I'm just going to type in some random keywords. Let's do keto. Let's type in best medicine ball workout. Is that even how you spell medicine? I don't know. So let's see. Best medicine ball workout. Okay. So that was horrible. Let's see. Let's type this in. Medicine ball workout. So right here, this is what I'm talking about. So this software, and this is free for up to like 10 searches, I think. So you don't gotta pay for it. But this is what I'm talking about. So we thought, let's write 20 articles, each targeting a keyword that is searched at least 500 times per month. So that would be something like this. Okay, medicine ball workouts for beginners. That's one article we'd write, and it gets roughly 480 searches per month. Okay, exact match searches per month. Then you could write medicine ball workout for beginners. I'm not sure how many searches that one gets, but that won't be an exact match. So those will be two different keywords that you'll be going after. So this is what I'm talking about. Come here. Let's type in keto diet for keto diet plans. Let's try that. Keto diet plans. So we come down here, look at all these. Keto diet plan for beginners, 1,000. We were only going after 500. So let's say this would be one, and 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 this would be one. Okay? And once you start writing more articles, once you start getting those articles ranked on Google, on Yahoo, on Bing, for that exact match keyword, you can start getting more traffic. So let's go back over. Let's go back over here. Okay, let's come back here, and let's go and so let's say we adjust all these numbers. So let's say we're gonna do. Let's get rid of this. Okay, so we're going to walk through it again, but let's say we have 10 times the amount. Well, we could pretty much, times holding by 10. But so let's say we have 100. Let's say we have 200 articles. We're getting, it's the same thing, 500 searches a month. Okay, so we come over here, right here, like this. Total monthly searches 500. Okay, I know that says 1,000, but you get the point. Okay, so let's say we do the whole thing. We multiply the whole thing by 10. Okay, so we got 100,000. We got 20,000. We have 1,000. We have 100 sales. Instead of 50, we have 500 a month. Okay. Now, again, ranking for keywords that only get 500 local searches. And when I'm saying local, I'm talking about the United States. But when they're only getting 500 local searches, you should be able to rank for them a lot easier. Okay. Let's come over here and look. Okay. So let's say we came and looked at this keto diet plan for beginners. So here we are. It gets 1,000 for the organic search, 1,000 searches per month. Okay, it has a couple other ones. Keto diet meal plan for beginners, keto diet for beginners, meal plan, and let's see the sites that are ranking for them. You got ketosizeme.com. Okay, so keto diet plan for beginners. Guide keto diet, ruled.com, ruled, Healthline, Diet Doctor, Femnique, have no clue, Keto Connect. Okay, so you got all these different ones. Bodybuilding.com, keys to ketosis, ultimate paleo guide, men's health, Pinterest. So right here, being that this one's on Pinterest, chances are we should be able to rank very quickly for this one, probably within the top 20. Probably within the first couple weeks, and I'd say within the first month or two, you should be able to rank in the top, probably in the top page, so the top 10 for this. So you might not get, what do we say? Let's go back to our numbers. You might not get the 20% right here of the website traffic, but let's say you get 10%. Okay, so you're still getting 100 from that one every single month because of its size. So it's not 500, it's 1,000, but because of its size, you're getting more and more traffic, right? So that's the whole point of this. Okay, so let's say you want to make $1,000 a month. Okay, let's say you want to make $1,000 a month. Okay, all you have to do is start plugging in the numbers, like I did here. Okay, start out here. Well, we don't need to put this one right here. Start out here, and let's say you're going after doing 20 articles. So you do an article a day. Do this for 2 to 3 months. Do an article a day, weekends included. Okay, do this. Do one article every single day. Okay, that's targeting a keyword or a key phrase that has at least 500 local monthly searches every single month. Okay, and go up to maybe 1,500 or 2,000. Okay, keep it low so you don't have a whole lot of competition. But then just start writing the articles, targeting those keywords. Okay, again, this video is not about SEO and stuff like that. I'm not going to tell you, the tips and tricks, and I talk about that inside the course a little bit. So if you want to check it out, go do it. Again, link in the description box below. There's a bunch of bonuses in that as well. But so let's say you have, so these numbers right here would be 100 articles, or actually 200 articles. Okay, now do I think you're only going to get be able to rank for the 500 and lower keywords? No, I think you're gonna get up to higher ones, 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, 10,000. But I just want you to be realistic. Okay, so if you get 100, let's say the searches equal 100,000. Okay, come over here, add up all these, and they equal 100,000. You're adding them all up. Okay, equal 100,000. Great. You should really, very, very realistically get at least 20,000 of those visitors to your site. Okay, as long as you're ranking within the top 5. Okay, so I'm in the first one, second, third ranked position, all the way up to the top 5. Okay, which would equate to 1,000 affiliate link clicks, and probably get more. And that would at least be 10% would convert to an affiliate sale. Let's say you're at 13%, 130 at $5 a sale. You're looking at what is that, 130 times 5? You're looking at 650. Okay, 650. And what if you got more? Okay, what if the website traffic, what if you got 50%? Okay, so 5,000. You're ranking on number 1 for a lot of these. Okay, 5,000. And then right here we did 5%. What is 5% of that? I don't know. I'm not going to do the math in my head. 50,000 times 5%, 2,500. Okay, 2,500. And then we did 10% of that, so 250, 250 sales, and then 250 times 5, you're looking at, what is that, 1,250, something like that. So you already have your $1,000 a month. It's really a numbers game. Affiliate marketing is a numbers game. If you have ever done affiliate marketing, if you know about, okay, you've created websites, you'll put your links everywhere online. The more links you have out there, the more traffic that comes and sees your link, the more money you're going to be able to make, as long as you're providing value. Okay, so let's say you come to any of these sites, Keto Size Me. Let's go to that really quick. All right, so here we are on ketosizeme.com. Okay, let's get rid of these ads. So here we are on her site. So she has keto pepper avocado fries, perfect keto game day snack. Sweet. All right, so she's just providing value, or he, whoever it is. I'm saying she, but maybe it's a woman, I don't know. But whoever it is providing value. Okay, they're giving you snack ideas, keto coconut mocha donuts, the recipe for that, bulletproof coffee fast, sweet, a keto meal delivery. They're just giving you a bunch of value. Let's say we click on one of these sites or one of these articles. So maybe it was a woman. So she has you can search her website. She has some ads up here. Okay. So right here, let's see, what's this? Looks like it takes you to a book. Okay, so she sells the book. Maybe she gets some money. Okay, what's this? Let's actually click on that. Here it is right here. It's called Green Chef. I don't know what it is. Keto's on the menu. Okay, get started. Looks like she's promoting this already prepared meals. Who knows? Who knows what that is? Okay, so let's say she's promoting that. I buy it, and she makes some money. That's all it takes. Okay, let's go back and look at Keto Size Me over on this. Okay, let's come here. Let's do domain overview. KetoSizeMe.com. Let's do domain overview. Okay, so here we are. So it says right here, she's getting roughly, or he is getting roughly 46,700 local searches per month. See how it's going up? This could be you. Okay, look at this. Low carb food list printable. Search 4,400 times, and she's number 1. Low carb food list. Search 12,000 times. She's number 2. Carbohydrates food list 2,900. Number 1. Keto food list 1,200, and number 3, which moved up from number 5. This was the past position. Okay, so when you start doing this, what's going to happen is you're going to start to see you're making more money, you're getting more traffic, everything's going good. And next thing, all you have to do is then take your website, create another one. Okay, 2 websites, 5 websites, 10 websites, 25 websites, 100 websites, okay, 500 websites. That's all you have to do. You just keep scaling it up and up and up. And as you get bigger, as your sites are getting more traffic, as you're making more money, you can take that money and put it right back into the next website and the next one and the next one. And then hire articles to write for, or hire freelance writers to write articles for you. Hire people to build links for you. Hire people to create a course, to create a guide, and just build your entire business. Because, like I said, right here, being that affiliate marketing is a numbers game, you can't just have one website. You'll start out with 1, go to 2, go to 3, go to 4, go to 5, go to 10, go to 25, go to 50, go to 100, go to 500, go to 1,000. Keep on going. The more and more websites you have, the quality websites you have, okay, the more money you're going to be able to make. So hopefully this video helped you out. Hopefully you understand the numbers. Again, break it down. Work backwards. Don't start off being, oh, I'm going to make $1 a sale. No, work backwards. Figure out how much traffic you need. Because it doesn't matter how much the sale is or what the commission is if you don't get any traffic. The whole point of affiliate marketing and really anything online is to get the traffic. The more traffic you can get initially, the more money you're going to be able to make. So if you have any questions, let me know what your questions are in the comment section below. Go check out my new course if you want to. The link is in the description box below as well. And also go check out the bonuses. Okay, that is what I want you to see, is the bonuses, what you get inside this course. Okay, so again, if you have any questions, let me know. Hit that thumbs up button if you like this video, want more videos on affiliate marketing, and I will see you guys on the next one.